You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. If you look at this Bitcoin chart, I predicted yesterday that we are going to see retracement in the market, and exact same thing we are seeing right now on the BTC USD chart. This retracement was imminent and I have already spotted out before it happened. So I'm going to take a look at Bitcoin price right now, and also on ETH we see the same drop on ETH after the breakout on this very channel that I draw in my previous video. We are also going to look at the Bitcoin dominance and relate this chart to what we are going to be expecting on Bitcoin and Ethereum in the next coming days. So watch the video till the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates like this. So let's jump right into. If you look at this very area, yesterday I talked about this very move that market is going to retrace from this area right down, and then we see market just move slightly to the upside and get to this very area of resistance. This was $38,000, and then market reject with this very rejection candle, and we see the market right back down into this area of support, which was resistance right here, turned support at this point. So what is our anticipation right now in the next coming days for BTC USDT chart right here? Now, before I go into this very analysis, if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, we are seeing more explosion to the upside on the Bitcoin dominance chart, which means that Bitcoin have high capacity and tendency to move straight to the upside from this area of support. So if you look at it very well, I am expecting the market from this area on BTC dominance chart to go down a little bit. That is in form of a retracement right to the downside. Then we are going to see the market move straight up again. So as we continue to see the BTC dominance chart move right up, we are anticipating that BTC is going to increase to the upside together with it as well very soon. So right now on BTC, on the immediate short term, what I am expecting right now is a continuation of this very impulse. So I am looking at the market continue from here to the upside, or we are going to see a little bit market move right down into this area, and the market is going to continue from here as well. So either this area of support or this very area of support. So right here, we're going to be looking at certain candlestick pattern and also on this very area of support to trigger my trade. I'm going to give that trade in the Telegram group. Check the description of this video and join. It is a free group. So this exact same thing I am looking out for right now on BTC USDT. Now, if we enter this trade from this area, after it has been confirmed, then the first target is this very area of resistance. The same thing if we enter from this area of support and market move right up, then the first target too is at this area. We want to see the market being resisted at this very area of $38,000. So this is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT in the next coming days. If you take a look at ETH right here, in my previous analysis, I talk about Ethereum. If Ethereum break this level, this very trend line, this very resistance right here, we are going to see the market go right up, and then exact same thing happen right here. Market move slightly to the upside after a breakout on this very resistance trend line, and then we see this rejection, market come back down, just like we see on BTC USDT rejection, market come back down as well. So what I am expecting on ETH right now is the market coming out of this very strong support level to the upside. So I want to see the market move right up, and then if you look at the stochastic right here, market is slightly moving into the oversold territory right here. So that means that after market slightly come out of it, we could see the market move straight up again. So this is what I am looking out for in the immediate short time on ETH USDT chart. Looking at the one-day chart right here on ETH USDT, you discover that the market is already at this very bottom. This very area of support was at this point resistance right here. If we see the market break right on this support level and form a bearish close, we do not see any support at this point, no resistance that could resist the market. That means that if we see a bearish close on this very candle right down at this point on the daily time frame, then that means that market is going to ride back into this area of key support level before we can see a reversal in the market. So this is what I am looking out for in the long term on ETH USDT. We could possibly see the market right up from here. If we see BTC USDT chart move straight up, then Ethereum is going to move straight up with it without breaking this level of resistance at this point, which is support at this very area. So this is what I am looking out for on BTC USDT, ETH USDT in the next coming days. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more updates like this. If you have not registered on Binance OKX, $600 bonus on Bybit, check the description of this video right now and do your registration right away. And if you want to enroll for Remit course to learn simple technical analysis like this, please check the description. You see a contact and reach out to us immediately. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.